everyone. Today we are going to start our second chapter of computer working with MS Windows 7. But before the starting the chapter, I want to say about the Windows. Windows is an operating program or system that controls the operation of the computer. And now you all are familiar with the computer system, I think. So we will learn more about Windows 7 and its functions. So let's see how many functions are there. These all are functions of the Windows 7 and we will talk about these functions individually. First we go for library. Libraries are collections where your music, videos and pictures are stored and they can be easily accessed throughout the desktop's search functions. Libraries don't replace your folders, they simply house them in a single collection where files are placed in a library. There are some properties like documents, pictures, music and videos. Now we will talk about the Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program that helps in navigating from one location to another to view and manage files and folders. If you want to open it, so you have to click on Start button. Then you click on All Programs, so Accessory will be open. Then you click on Windows Explorer, so your Windows Explorer will be open. Now I will talk about the Windows Explorer contents. There are various navigation tools and buttons and it is divided in two parts, left pane and right pane. In left pane displayed drives and folders and right pane displays files or folders in the current folders or drive. There are some navigating tools and buttons like navigating button, toolbar, address bar, navigation panes, library panes, search bar and so many more. So now we will talk about the file and folders. File and folders in computer systems are used to store information in the form of documents, programs, applications, libraries and various files. Folders don't occupy much space and they help the user to remain organized of their work and save time to search. Folders can store other folders too. Now we will talk about the viewing content of a file or folders. If you want to see, then you have to click on the drive or folder which you want to explore from the pane of the Windows Explorer. Then double click on the folder or file you wish to explore from the right pane to see the content of the file or folder. Then we will talk about the creating a file or folder. If you want to create, how will you create it? In the left pane of the Windows Explorer screen, select the default folder in which you want to create a new folder. Then select the new folder and give the name. And it is your new folder created. Now we will talk about the rename file or folder. If you want to change your file or folder's name, then you have to follow these steps. From the right pane of the Windows Explorer, select the folder or file you would like to rename. Right click on the folder or file and select the rename option and change the name of the file or folder and press enter key, so your files will be changed. Now we will talk about the moving a file or folder. Moving a file or folder is just like a copying the file or folder. So you have to select the files or folder to move. Right click the mouse and then click cut button or option. Select the location where the file is to be moved and double click to open it. Then click the mouse and click the paste option. the file is moved to a new location. Now we will talk about the deleting a file or folder. If you want to delete your file or folder, so you have to select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Click the mouse button and select the delete option. Windows 7 confirm before deleting the file or folder by displaying a dialog box. Press enter key and there will be yes button to delete the file or folder. If you want to know, then no option also will be there, so you can cancel it.